In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices in Zoho Books. This is a vital skill if you're managing finances for your business, ensuring you get paid accurately and swiftly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Invoices section. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Sales module. Click on it, and then proceed to click on Invoices. This section will be your command center for creating and managing all your invoices. Next, it's time to create a new invoice. You'll notice a bright plus new button on the top right corner of the Invoices page. Click this button to get started on your fresh invoice. Now you need to select the customer you're invoicing from the drop-down menu. Don't worry if your client isn't in the list yet. Zoho Books allows you to add new customers directly from this screen. After you've selected or added your customer, you'll move on to filling in crucial details like the invoice number, which can be conveniently auto-generated, the order number, and any specific payment terms you'd like to set. Now, let's move on to adding item details, which is vital to ensure accuracy. In the Item Details section, you will enter the items or services rendered for which you're invoicing. Carefully input the quantity for each item and verify that the correct tax rate is applied automatically. This system has been designed to simplify these details, but always double-check to avoid any errors. If needed, you can also include additional items, shipping charges, or adjustments. This flexibility allows you to tailor each invoice to the precise transactions that occurred. Once your invoice is looking complete, it's time to customize it and get ready to send it off. You can add any customer notes or specific terms and conditions that might apply. This is the perfect place to communicate special messages or instructions to your client. Additionally, you can configure online payment gateways, which is a huge convenience, allowing customers to pay directly through the invoice, making the entire process smoother for both parties. Finally, deciding how to save and send your invoice is the last step. You'll see an option to save as draft if you're not ready to send it immediately. This is useful if you need a second pair of eyes to review the invoice or just prefer to gather several invoices to send out at once. Alternatively, if you're good to go, click Save and Send to email it directly to your customer. This immediacy is beneficial for maintaining cash flow and ensuring that your business operations run without a hitch. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of creating and sending an invoice in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you can ensure that your billing process is professional, efficient, and clear for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.